I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a school bag as a dumbbell. First, select a durable school bag with robust straps, as these will bear the weight. Next, fill your bag with dense, non-sharp items such as textbooks, sandbags, or sealed water bottles. Distribute the weight evenly within the bag to maintain balance and prevent strain during your workout. Begin with a lighter load, around 5 to 10 pounds, and slowly increase as your strength improves. Proper grip and form are crucial for safety and effectiveness. Hold the bag firmly by its main handle or by gripping both shoulder straps together, depending on the exercise. Always keep your back straight and engage your core muscles to support your spine. Execute each movement slowly and with control, concentrating on the muscles you are working. This prevents momentum from taking over and reduces the risk of injury, ensuring a productive workout. You can perform a variety of exercises with your school bag dumbbell. For bicep curls, hold the bag with an underhand grip and lift it towards your shoulders. Overhead presses involve pushing the bag straight up above your head. For lower body, hold the bag close to your chest for squats or lunges. Bent-over rows are also effective. Hinge at your hips and pull the bag towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades. Aim for 8 to 12 repetitions per set. Safety should always be your top priority. Before each workout, inspect your bag and its straps for any tears or weaknesses that could compromise its integrity. Pay close attention to your body. If you experience any sharp pain, stop immediately. As you grow stronger, progressively increase the weight in your bag or the number of repetitions you perform. For added comfort during your workout, you might wrap a towel around the bag's handles to improve your grip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.